Stock market could be rocky today as investors keep an eye on two central bank meetings. Stocks ended with losses as oil prices dropped yesterday. Wells Fargo faces an uphill battle when it faces Congress today over those fake accounts. Maribel's joining us live from New York City this morning with more. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Wells Fargo CEO will face lawmakers today to explain the bank's fake account scandal. John Stump will face Elizabeth Warren and other members of the Senate Banking Committee at a hearing. So Stump has apologized for the scandal, but critics have called for him to be fired. The executive has been blasted for his early reaction in which he appeared to blame low-level employees rather than the bank's managers. The Department of Transportation will release guidelines for testing and deploying automated vehicles this morning. The new guidelines will detail how the vehicles should perform and include a model for state policies. The regulations include a 15-point safety assessment for vehicles, and the categories include everything from a vehicle's crashworthiness to cybersecurity and how a vehicle sees the road. In a different world we'd live in with fully autonomous driving, don't you think?
Yeah, maybe one with no more drunk driving accidents. Wouldn't that be something? But anyway, we'll see. Maribel, appreciate it. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.